He looked at the video and...
No way, I need to see it, I need to see it. Yeah, it's an IPO. You can see, touch it. And I did it alone. I should get more points because of that.
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
Daniel Gabay, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Trigo. Trigo converts traditional stores into autonomous stores. The shoppers can walk into the store, take whatever they want, just leave and get the receipt automatically. So my brother, Daniel, is a gifted brother, but I'm the CEO, so you need to listen to me. We are going to win because I'm here alone, without Daniel. So that is the reason. I'm going to do it alone, quietly, and just win. Yeah, let's do it.
I love the brotherly love that he's displaying.
Now let's do it.
For those of you who don't know, he grew up in a kibbutz. Let's see how he is at flying drones. I'm still waiting to see how, if this doesn't work, he blames Daniel, even though he's not there.
Wow, all three balloons at once. Maybe it does pay off that Daniel's not here.
I'm here.
Is confidence, confidence, and confidence.
Let's go for the IPO.
Oh!
Ooh. Did he get it?
I think we got it.
How do you feel?
Great. I think we should be in IPO, but I feel great.
And where do you think you are on the scoreboard?
At least the third. Yeah, right. I did it all. I should get more points because of that.
What do you think made you do so well?
I was relaxed. I did it slowly, and finally, we didn't fail. Most importantly, Hetz is down. Okay.
Perfect.